Welcome back to HR English. Welcome back to HR People. So today in this video, I'm Siam Ahmed in front of you once again. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the five king of the cricket. So first of all, I'm saying the name of them. First of all, Nazmul Hussain Chanto. Secondly, mm, two number is also Shamma Sarkar, thirdly, Tanjit Hassan, Tamim. Fourth number, Mushfiqur Rahim. Five number is also the five star in Amel's name in once famous star, the name of Mahamudullah. So today in this video I'll be explain about them. Like already I have shared, Nazmul Hussain Chanto, his character, his behavior, his structure is also getting good. 2024 is the last cap of playing the cricket tournament. So we have got the use of the benefit from Nazmul Hussain Chanto. Secondly, Shamma Sarkar, when he is calling to cricket, that time we can get the much of the assignment to Shamma Sarkar. Like secondly, Tanjit Hassan, Tamim. So Tamim Iqbal is also we are getting the much of the opportunity we can expecting. Like yeah, this match will be run in 20. This is match number 5, and we'll be get the definitely will get a great position, great run from Tanjit Hassan Tamim. Like second Mushfiqur Rahim. Oh my God, that is the vital, that is the vital people, that is the crucial people of the team of Bangladesh, like Mushfiqur Rahim. So 2024 is the last playing cricket. We have got huge of the achievement from Mushfiqur Rahim. Secondly, Mahamudullah Riyad. Oh my God, the name of Mahamud